when you're staring at a half-empty fridge and thinking there's nothing to make. These 3 high-protein recipes turn random leftovers into meals that actually taste amazing. First up, buffalo chicken smash tacos. Mix together ground chicken, buffalo sauce or any regular hot sauce, and your seasonings. You can really use any protein, leftover shredded chicken, or even tofu works too. Spread the mixture evenly onto your low-carb tortillas, then cook meat side down until golden and cook through. Then I'm tossing together some cabbage, carrots, Greek yogurt, and blue cheese dressing. Top your tacos with that crunchy slaw, a drizzle of buffalo sauce, and green onion if you've got it. Super quick, high protein, and definitely fridge friendly. Next, the viral sheet pan gnocchi. On a sheet pan, toss together whatever protein and veggies you have on hand. I use some chicken sausage with cauliflower gnocchi, squash and Brussels sprouts, really anything that needs to be used up. Season that all up, then roast until caramelized. Finish with nutritional yeast or parmesan for a cozy and delicious dinner ready in 30 minutes. And finally, tofu crispy rice. Start by crumbling tofu into a hot pan with garlic and ginger. You can sub the tofu for leftover chicken, shrimp, or even beans. Then toss in any vegetables you've got. I use edamame and bell peppers. Stir in your leftover rice along with chili oil or any sauce you have on hand and cook until the rice gets golden and crispy. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds and you've got a takeout inspired meal that's fresh and protein packed. So whether you've got some odds and ends left in your fridge or just a pile of veggies that need using up, these recipes make it easy to turn what's in your fridge into quick, protein-forward meals. And don't forget to subscribe to Noom for more easy recipes.